As you connected to Wi-Fi but not getting internet on your Apple Watch, this usually happens due to router issues, network settings, or a software glitch. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on your Apple Watch. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution 1. Forget Wi-Fi and then reconnect. Open up the Settings app on your Apple Watch. After that, tap Wi-Fi. Make sure to enable the Wi-Fi. Now tap on your network. Here you can see Forget this network option. Tap on it. Scroll down. Now tap Forget. After forgetting, reconnect your Wi-Fi network and see. Solution 2. Restart your Apple Watch. Press and hold on the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Power off slide will appear. Next, tap on the power icon from the top right corner. Slide the power icon from left to right. Now again, press and hold on the side button for 3 to 5 seconds. Apple logo will appear. Solution 3. Check your software update. Open the watch home screen. Tap on the Settings app. Now scroll down and then tap General. Tap Software Update. If there is a new update, then download and install the update. And that's all. This is how you can fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on your Apple Watch. Hope you found this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video. Take care.